My experience with the class was good. I liked it. The 3 classes, I learned a lot of things, especially a lot about my emotions, how I can control it, which I don't usually get taught in school. I learned a lot of things about chemicals, how to manage my emotions, sleep, motivation, a lot of things I cannot explain. But thoroughly, I like the class.
Thank you.
3 days, ma'am, and I learned a lot about emotions and which chemicals is released and all that, and how intense we feel certain emotions and how should we change it and why should we change it, and lots of motivation.
Very nice.
Chemicals and how to control our feelings. We learned about the different emotions, and we learned how in which situations should we respond and react, and about motivation. We learned about good foods and bad foods, and I love them. I love the session.
I learned a lot about in this 3 days, like especially about how it's normal to have mood changes and about the emotional wheel and that there are different intensities of emotions, and how it's important to also sometimes not to react and rather it's better to respond in a situation, stay calm. Yoga can also help in that thing, and especially the 5 parts to strong emotions, like the thoughts, feelings, then the body signals, urges, and behaviors. Especially that part, it was really very much informative. And yeah, the choice points.
Great. Thank you very much, Rohit. Now, Divyam, can you come forward?
Yes. I have found these sessions very amazing, informative, and I've enjoyed this a lot. And I also want to join the next time because I really like this session. It makes me learn about the new things about us, like how to control our emotions and like how many emotions that we have. It's so amazing and so interesting. No, I don't have any more things to say.
Thank you very much. Now, next is Garvita.
The class was amazing. We learned more about emotions and we understand how emotions affect our body, and we learn how to stay motivated, and how our small thoughts can change the whole things. And
Yes, very nice.
It's nice and it is the ultimate source of learning of my life.
Areva, very nice.
And I hope this learning source will change my life.
In the 3 day session is about emotions. We learned how to control our emotions and what different type of chemicals affect our emotions, and what different type of emotions affects our attitude, and how it can control us. Sometimes some emotions are out of our control, but we have to learn how to keep it in control. We have also learned that motivation is the key to overtaking our emotions, because it helps us to do a lot of work, as we've seen in the example of Virat Kohli and Surya Kumar Yadav. And we have also learned the different types of food which affect the emotions, which attract them and which are not that good, which are not liked most of the time.
I personally like learning about the parts of the brains and spotting the layers.
Okay.